Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Oh, you want to drink feel merry. Man can eat the rum and the cranberry. You want to pass that no necessary.
Oh, good.
I'm good.
Angel, you're flying.
Yeah. I see you look at him cutie. I'm cute stuff. Why you not bringing him? Hi guys, you're vlogging right now? Hi guys, my name is Brittany. I'm a modeler, entrepreneur, and also a musician. You guys should check me out at brittany.mp3.
No, the guys don't check her out.
No, definitely.
God said the son of my son now.
Where's his son? Why did he bring his son? You guys, you know that's who we want to see.
Tell her, say, yo, the son get the kittens for me. And she said,
No. Your son is who we want to see. Bring your son. Like, drop in the comments. Tell him to bring your son outside there. But I'll see you soon, Tino.
Alright then, cool. Alright guys, so we just arrived here at night market. You know.
It's a pleasure to be here. And life are the greatest thing. How we run the vanity and work? Right? No matter how we have life, we are right. So one night, see them a run down quality worshiping, vanity lose them humanity. No matter how we have life, we are right. So one night, see them a run down quality worshiping.
Alright, see that doubles? Sweet. So 1 second. Are you right? Again.
Like, what you doing?
Yeah, wait, where's Son's Cafe?
You know, I was gonna reach out to you one day, but
Yeah.
one next time.
Alright, no problem. Wait, look, he's not here.
Are you serious?
He's not here. What about his sons? Lift up? Oh, that's why they call me.
Yeah, tell me. You say they will tell you.
Yeah.
Tell some other one.
Yeah.
Me are surprised where you are.
Yeah, because we get a couple calls from him, but we tried to call him back last night and it ring out. That's why he was calling me. He will tell me, say him like a push. Yeah. Alright, and I reach back to him.
Yeah, man. Bless
It's
you.
good.
Honorable, you know?
So come give yourself a shout out. So guys, so here we have one of our subscribers, you know, a viewer of Kino Life in Jamaica. Her name is, what's your name? Tish on YouTube?
Tisha Amoy on YouTube.
Tisha Amoy on YouTube.
Tisha
Tisha Amoy
Yeah.
on YouTube. Okay, so she also have the Asmo, you know. So tell them what they can come and see on your YouTube channel, Tish.
So my channel is really lifestyle, wellness, and like travel. So really my daily life. I travel a lot back and forth to Jamaica and get into various things in Jamaica. But I also have a second channel.
What's up, you know?
Good.
I also have a second channel that I'm going to be pushing more entertainment. So like interviews with artists because I go to a lot of events. I live in Florida.
Okay.
I'm half in Florida, half time in Jamaica. At least that's the goal. So I go to a lot of events, concerts and festivals and things like that. So yeah.
Okay.
You'll be able to see that as well.
So your next channel is what's the next channel? About entertainment, everything, right?
Yeah.
What's the name of that one?
Channel is T_Amoy_TV.
Okay.
So T_AMOI TV.
Okay.
Yeah.
So guys, you can go and check her out. Check her out and everything goes, you know. So she's also going to see Empress as well too, you know. She's here for the good things then. And, grab a bag, that's him. So grab a bag. Yeah, because I always see on the program as well too, you know.
Well, so juice tonight. So before we even go further, we have this new one. We want the people to know. Look right here, sir. This one named the knee remover, yeah? So this is the knee remover.
Alright guys, so yeah man, so you can go and check her out, you know, she's also one of our viewers that subscribe to the program, so you can go and check her out, Tisha and Moy and everything. But I can't believe I cannot charge my camera. My battery is literally dying. Yeah, so my battery is literally dying and I can't believe it. So hopefully I got some minutes so I can give Yaya some time, you know. I'm bringing her to go show where Yaya is, you know. So she's here dealing with Brother Belch. So there's no Sun's Cafe. Sun's Cafe is out the island for a little minute. So as you notice, empty space. Hello.
Coming up kind of your business in a key. Want to know why you look good, you see?
Yeah.
This lady want to know why you look good, so I want to tell you.
Okay, so she come and find out the Kino product.
Why you look good? Should I tell her why you look good, Kino?
Yeah, tell her. Tell her, because everyone want to know why Kino looks so.
Why Kino looks so good and then we didn't want to find out.
7.
Alright, so I have the card. I put it together, so I'm going to show you like what.
Yeah. 7, where's mine?
You know what that means?
Is any for me?
Call you and text you.
Where's mine? There's none for me? Wait there, a long time I not hear the artist there. Are you not running that? You know the artist there? Yeah, come. I remember this artist. Say for him.
5770 and your cut was the teeth they are hero. Yeah man, so me I say, you don't know, you know. One has a respect, you know. Yeah man, so one love, one heart and one destiny.
Jaja, Mr. Song.
Yeah man, the next one. Yeah man, I want to request you the beautiful black woman there. You see me and say, and if you are that woman to see him, you know.
Guys,
they don't know, the one is the black woman.
I missed that a while ago.
What do you aspire? Tell me to me, I spy. What do you aspire? I will never make you cry.
He was on Magnum Kings and Queens as well too. The artist was on Magnum Kings and Queens, you know? So you give her the Kino special?
And that she come first and I asked her, say she wants to hear it. So this is the facial. So wash your full body, magnesium, sea moss gel, your glow serum,
So guys, I really came here a bit late and plus Sun's Cafe is not here. So I'm gonna get to Doubles before it finish, you know, because I don't want to hear that Doubles finish on me, you know.
Come in.
Hold on. Make sure I come quick before.
It's Thursday. By Kaya, we have some by Kaya this Thursday.
This Thursday?
Ethiopia New Year.
Alright then, Ethiopia. Which year is it now in Ethiopia?
Well, 7 years. Yeah,
Is it 7?
2019.
2019. I thought it was 8 years.
No, 7.
2019 now. Yeah. So that means I'm 7 years younger.
Of course.
Yeah. So guys, I am 7 years younger. I'm living in the Ethiopian time. I'm not living in this colonized time right now, right? I never colonized, so I'm not in the Western time. I'm in Ethiopia time. So I'm 7 years younger from my age. So you know you can do the maths. You too, right? So of course, so you have a choice. So I choose to live the Ethiopian age right now. So you too? You live in the Ethiopian age? So you're 7 years younger than your age right now. Alright. So easy to do that, right? Let's go right. Cherry star fruit.
Yeah man, cherry star fruit with lemon ginger. Yeah man, you see this one here? That one here, the cherry star fruit with lemon ginger passion, right? And these are the singer's delight. If you're a musician, just come check me. You
Yeah.
understand what I say?
So like how he's a musician, you
Yeah,
check
man.
that one yeah.
Yeah, man, that one a good place. So I'm not give you want it tough or you want something you want it soft.
I want it soft.
Yeah.
So
Like
like
the guy, you're enjoying your thing. How you sing your thing then? Ready?
yeah.
Man.
So that's why I forgot draw a feed, you know?
Which is right.
I forgot draw a feed. So right to you recognize the voice straight away once I hear that. So I'm just like get back into the music business, you know?
We can't support that. No, the music with the thing about it. We have a balance. Understand me?
Yeah.
Nah, nobody not do it for you, no,
No. That's the reason why, you know, I'm just kind of jump out.
Yeah.
So but now I'm kind of going to take it back
Come
on.
back in it again, my general.
Yeah,
Don't
yeah.
want light and prosperity, man. Come here, inch up on your thing on it. So like you can rock, you understand?
Yeah.
Don't want to do your thing, man. You see?
I imagine that injury that 10 years ago.
Bongo natty. You can imagine what I want now.
Yes, that's how long I stop.
You go hide my catty. I want to see you.
Alright. Big up. Yeah. Oh man, I like the way your ears look today. What's going on?
I got a little creative in the kitchen, you know.
Okay.
Usually I would do my hair this way, but you know I've done it in a long time, a little, you know. And I put a little time into say, you know, I'm gonna just put it together today, you know.
I really like the way you look.
It's a 999 portal, so we have to show up ourselves, you know, modestly.
Of course.
Definitely.
Yeah, show off for me. Through mine want to do.
Huh?
Through mine you want to do your show off for me.
I have to. So girl, what's going on?
Yeah. What's going on? I'm not going anywhere. I'm right here.
It's okay,
Wait up for me. You got my package?
Yeah, man. You don't have to hold on to some of the things, man.
See there.
Sure.
And you up in again now, yeah. Leave my water bottle.
But we never bring up no water, okay, you know, I forget too.
So you see that guys?
Gosh, man. I want to
One cup you need.
Don't forget also
One little cup and you
we never knew it.
right?
Kino water.
Open, yeah, don't leave it open. Straight open now. I have some nice ring man, them ring
So Seven, why you never remind your dad about the water for Kino?
It's happening today, girlfriend.
Why never remind your dad about the water for me?
Probably because friends, we don't know
Seriously, Seven?
Just look, you know, one big name.
She's glowing.
I'm a good girl, this man. Proper good girl.
So guys, I'm here to get my stuff from Yaya as usual because
Top of the press.
Okay, but now it's good, I know.
and
Just to put on the liver key, you know.
King of Deliver,
Of the liver.
it shall deliver.
See the
Dark chocolate.
cacao, the food of the gods.
Yes.
Tell people, yo, it's that. Use up on the chocolate.
The fruit of the gods.
Yeah, man.
And that is it. So,
Mystic.
and the more, you got the more as well.
Yeah, man.
You got my sip. Yeah, I don't want no excuse right now, because me will talk about this from today, you know.
Yeah, man. It's good.
It's good, right?
You're good.
Alright. It's good, guys. It's good because, boy, the way everybody come for the products, and sometimes I wonder if I'm going to get any. But I like the way Yaya always look out for me, see me.
It's a grand Kino girl.
Yeah. Skinner Club. People, good people. Let me get her rich. Lord. Oh, Lord. Yeah.
This is one of my very first distributors in Kino. This is one of the first ones to sell the products for me. Right here.
See there, pick up
Because
yourself.
remember, I was in town, so I could leave the product with her and say, pick up the product from her.
Okay.
I'm my first client and distributor.
Oh. And I am the new ambassador.
Oh, yes? Yeah. Give me the jacket, kid. Just show her off. So she's like, her to Iman, client. Show her off. Good.
Yes, I'm sure right off. Whoa. 10 out of 10.
Goddess still.
She's got the body of a goddess.
She is a goddess. Go, girlie. Thank you. Much love, honey.
Yeah.
I'm going to go find my friend now, but it was great to see you. Mwah. Make sure you save some money for me. Yes, I will. Mwah. Take care of your love it.
Alright.
Don't send no money for my mom.
That's how we love on each other, Daniel. Have to. Have to.
No money for my
Ready for me?
No money from me.
Yes.
say, mad, we hurt yourself.
Alright, well, guys, blessed love. So, anyway, thing goes, so we're back here on the journey. And yes, the journey now we have to continue same place from where we started from in Churchtown. So first we have a box we did pick up from Junior Lifestyle and Fishing, that Windstone Chronicles that they send. So finally we're gonna get a chance to open the box and everything because I've been busy up and down and everything. So in here we have some stuff to give to us, kids. Not only individual, but we got a individual gift inside, so I cannot say use it as yet because they're might get too excited when they see the video. But there's an individual. So first we look inside. So so we have some books and pencils and crayon. So we can give some of the kids them, which is the Dream Team kids them, Shannon, and also Cranberry and the family them, right? But there is a laptop in there, Esther. There's a laptop in there. So where is it? You got it packed at the bottom or something?
I could get it, so probably.
Yeah. So there's a laptop in there. Oh, see there?
HP.
Oh, geez. So then I just pack on top of it.
We got it.
Wow. So guys, there is a laptop in this box. I know who it belongs to, but I cannot tell you who it belongs to because I want to surprise them. I want to surprise them with this laptop. So.
Or just one laptop?
Yeah, just one laptop. So the rest of them now we can just, like we're going to head up to Cranberry them. We can just pack some books and pencils for Cranberry them, Little Man and Little Miss. And then we can deal with the rest, here in Churchtown after. So we can make Shannon as well too. Get books and things.
And the Dream Team girls
and the Dream Team girls then. Yeah. So there you go again, guys. We have to give thanks to Windstone Chronicles. We thank him so much. See you to continue blessing and not stop blessing. So we give thanks. Let me say we have a laptop there. I cannot say who's it for because someone might see and go say it to the person and get too excited and can't wait, for it to come. So you'll see. And we have Esther here eat off the whole of the grapes. Then give me two Esther, man. Esther eat off the whole.
You first to eat them?
Lie, you first start.
I the camera and everybody plan you when you eat it.
You first start. I could start before you start. Seedless, and then say seedless is no good, So this is seeded. So you can plant it back. Seedless, GMO. Good to go. So yeah, you see that. So Esther, I just started some books and things. So also I have 4,500 here for you. As well too from Heather. From Connecticut. 4,500 from Heather from Connecticut.
Thanks, Miss Heather from Connecticut. Thanks, I really appreciate it. And may the good Lord bless and keep you always. In your life journey as well.
Alright, so we give thanks. So guys, so anything else, so we go get on the road. I got some donation fee for Wow Chef and 30 grand, boom, and Rasta Jackson also as well too from Heather. So I'm gonna also give it to them, while we're on our journey, or give it to them before we leave. So let's see which way is the best way. Alright, now so let's get the road. What 30 grand there? Music's at the right time. Alright, so Wow is here.
Yeah, man.
Wow with it here.
Yeah, man. Different style,
Yeah,
man. Jamaican style is not a. Look at Esther one. I see him thinking it's an African style, Yeah, man. See me, I say, yeah, you see it. I eat, man. You see me, I say,
yeah, it's the African style.
Yeah, African style, man. So, all Africa them come from,
Baby. Alright, so I give you something for your African style.
Yeah, man.
So me have 4,500 here for you from Eder from Connecticut.
Eder from Connecticut. Eder, John, no, I can't get my ticket there. Need it, you know. Yeah, man, Connecticut, my place, you know.
And New York again.
New York, see me in Connecticut, man, America, you know. So all for blessed and enough love, you know. So me I say, blessed love, you know.
Yeah,
thank you very much, you know. See me I say.
Yeah, from Eder.
Eder.
Connecticut.
Yeah.
And we have Boom as well to 4,500 from Eder. From Connecticut.
Connecticut. Eder, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Blessed and one love.
Yeah.
Thanks, Eder. Blessed, one love.
Outside we are here again. You see me I say? One key of life in Jamaica. So you know the thing go. Tune in. 160 grand.
So we have 4,500 here for 30 grand as well too from Eder from Connecticut. Eder.
Yeah man. Give thanks and man, Eder man. You see me I say I make a food basket never empty man. You see me I say? Man as a blessing. I appreciate you much man. You see me I say? Respect.
Yeah. Oh yeah, Rasta Jackson as well too. 4,500 from Eder.
Family, enough respect, family, love time. Beer love, Eder, enough respect, give thanks and praise every time. No? Yes, family, give thanks and praise every time. No? One thing on duty, all the extended family level, love every time, big up yourself every time. No? More than love, you know. Jesus every time. No? Yes, and Jackson, Lord God! What?
That is for the extended families.
Extended family. Give thanks and praise every time.
Alright, so we give thanks to Eder. Eder, we thank you so much. You know, so now we're going to head up by Mama River now. Go look for Cranberry and family, you know, anything goes already. So all chefs say I'm going to do some cooking.
Cranberry, enough love and big up in a loan should have there one day and come down in and one of the holiday never there man. Cheat never keep next year never there. So you know, some food never cook up line up for the people them still, you know. Yeah, some curry, you know. Yeah, national dishes. See me I say.
Yeah.
Fuck up a one chicken and see me I say.
Yeah.
Sorry about that still, but you don't know. You see me I say.
Do like that they say no?
No, I just set a light man. I don't set a light, you know. I don't just set a light man. It just go and stay till off of them come with the things them. We just bring it on the sun and light up and just move it in the kitchen there. Enough blessing, all for love, you know.
Alright then.
New York, twice.
Never catch me in the doggy show there. Never get the bad alive and clean.
She dirty? Sharon?
No, she not dirty.
She not dirty. I'm saying I'm seeing her dirt.
Good day world.
You don't see no dirt. I don't see no dirt.
Hi people.
It's too short. Too short any dirt? It's too short. It's clean. I don't see no dirt. Pucci. Hairstyle well done. Face well look well cool. Skin well tattoo. I could have you. Yeah. Look at yourself. Come in and movements of job people.
Movements of job people.
So. Yeah. Yeah man, we YouTube. Yeah. That I eat already. So one yes, so one there. So one big one yes, so.
Yeah.
Or red black one. You must say red black one. You must say chunks. So a red black one there.
Funny one.
Yeah, that's the red black one. No, I'm gonna make up beer nice and now pick the apple there.
You want to stick there?
Guys, when you see an apple well red and it black, that's a red black one.
Like a twin
Hey, red black one. Yeah, man, a red black one. Yeah, because all them red and black.
No, but last time I come out that one bunch, you see, so much they find it now. I see a fruit full, man.
This guy, there was a red black one up there.
Yeah, man, well, red black.
Red black.
Red black one. Like, today was the worst of the traffic on the road. Yeah. Look how 30 gonna walk. I'm paying up by sitting down. I start crawl up the hill. Jacks with him. MPM. No, sir. Yes. Ninja. Poverty RIP. No, like guys, so it's been a while I haven't been up these sides.
This too. No, them broke up the links, so no sense. So them broke up the limb. Them not picking up, you know. Them just chop a limb. So they find it so now.
Guys, it's been a while since I come up here. You know, the kids them keep calling me every day. That's one thing I'm always checking up. And even the mother call me, I say, you know, the kids them ask you every day, you know, I want to tell them, when you come. I got try being a bit away, you know. My son was here, and then I went through the out, and I went up and down, so yeah. I don't really get to see me, that's why, you know. So we're back here in Mommy River. See the river there. The traffic all us down. Nah, like. Yeah, tonight. Hey, start with that doodoo. Right there, so. Check your shoes and see if you step in it.
No?
Next one. Good at ripe ackee. Oh gosh. Back to reality. Charge build him step. You see him build a little steps.
So cooking I get none, yeah, eat that everything. No, I get none because I go eat it off.
Toko, you okay? Charge. Oh, go on. Lift him up. Toko, take a side now. Thing go van. Oh, Cranberry, I do it, so.
Everything go van.
Cranberry. Yes. Oh, yeah, lick long ackee.
Yeah.
Oh.
Today my job.
But you lick the wrong ones.
Oh.
Yo, so you know, see the open ones I'm right here, sir?
Yes, see the better.
So,
I want to go back there and
the eel wash down. Right there, sir.
see.
Yeah, this get higher. Come up. Cranberry.
Yes.
Eh? I know for ackee na tree open, man.
You see them? Alright, now.
Cranberry, leave that one there, it's too far, man. Get the one that's closer.
It's a mutala, Yakino.
So one there, sir.
Watch it, Kino, watch it.
That's them one day should be picky.
If I am calling the day when I come from school.
So I'm gonna answer you.
I'm your mother here. Ask them, tell her. I've never known sorry.
Me never hear.
I think somebody she tell me. I never know you, Kino.
Say never you done the phone, Cranberry?
Yeah, no, I never know you.
Nana, what are you doing? Okay. I was school.
Good.
Good.
Good. Now, what is please? Are you reaching the key now?
Pick them. Pick another one.
Look at that now.
So one more there. See another one there. Look, see another one there.
Where?
See there. Look now, same place where you're coming from. Two of them is there. Cranberry.
I'm blind, you know.
I'm glad I said it. See them right in front of you.
That ever said. Wanna bring them down?
So one right here, so Cranberry. So one right here, so.
You know, say I put them grow back and red.
You see them?
I won't even can pick them, Daddy. I think you never come to them. I'm glad you come to them. You know, give them.
Why?
I just said it, yeah, how you got. Some say I'm a foreign inside.
Yes, I'm going to foreign. Never ever come back. Tara, how you doing?
Can you tell Daddy? Some
brother run gone left you.
Daddy, what you want your back here, so?
Tree full of open ackee, man.
I don't tell him, so I want the puppy, so watch you look like you up there, so.
Look up in the tree.
Look up in the tree, Kino. Oh, Kino, you know some teacher here, watch you?
Cranberry.
Stop
yes.
I see them at the corner rollway.
Yeah.
No, better let them off. Tara, may you drop her down the hill?
Watch you one of us, I'm carrying them. I'm scared.
I hold it back. Hey, I listen a long time when I cook out some seasoned rice with my coconut milk, Esther.
Dad?
Yeah, you eat ackee?
No? That's anyway to me, I look.
Oh. As I see it, I cook some with some coconut milk. Really, you know? Oh, no.
This no woman sees it and eat it same. No?
Esther not eat half her life. A tree a well be again said nobody now come to that tree. Cook ackee.
It's a white plastic bag.
No. Pick up everything and I get some for go cook.
Them get tell the bag where boom put them in.
Me get about a dozen. I'm gonna cook some seasoned rice. Yeah. Cook some seasoned rice with my coconut milk.
What is it?
Cook some no? Pumpkin. Put some pumpkin and ackee.
Pumpkin and rice.
Yeah, pumpkin and ackee with coconut milk.
They can't bring some pumpkin.
That's why I cook some seasoned rice. Been a while I'll cook something like that. Yeah. With a pumpkin, nice. You know. Watch your tree over here, so Esther. Right here, so watch your bunch here, so. Yeah. See there? I don't want to see the ackee on the tree. Look behind you. See there? Look.
Yeah, what's that?
The only said. But that look like a butter ackee. Butter ackee soft, soft, soft. Stay there. When me used to go raise my chicken in an old hour, the man can tell you. I just pure ackee I cook every day. Every day. Morning, noon and night is ackee, Esther. When the man say, why run for board? Because it was ackee season. So the ackee was there in the tree. So why should I go buy anything else to cook? Ackee there. You know? That's all I cook. Look. And it's no joke, you know, when I used to raise chicken, you know, at Olaba, it was ackee season, it was pure ackee on the trees then, you know. So the only thing I cook is just ackee, you know. It doesn't make any sense to go buy anything else. Cook ackee for breakfast, ackee for lunch, and ackee for dinner, you know. Ackee and this, ackee and that, and ackee and wait there. For the seasoned rice, I'm going to cook the seasoned rice with the ackee, the pumpkin, and the okra with the coconut milk in it. And I use the salt mackerel as well, so wow, that bad. You know? And the ackee, the okra, the pumpkin, and the salt mackerel with coconut milk. It's that bad. Cranberry, go put on them ones. Bring them come. Come with them then. The ice got some of them there for me.
Yeah.
Put them on ground.
Put them on ground now?
Tell them what I'm going.
Just drop them on ground.
Wait there.
Tell them someone full and stuff.
Some of them,
Charge you clear out that land here.
Yeah, but me say back.
Them that yarn, them that full one.
Oh yeah, you do some farming on it.
Yeah.
Good.
Them that full one, them will eat over there.
Which will leave?
See them that just quick all of them.
Okay. Oh, so my one in the Esther right there.
Yes. That was so long.
Ackee for days.
ackee punch.
Hey, I never tried that one there yet. Ackee punch, ackee for lunch, ackee for breakfast, ackee for dinner, ackee with dinner. Right, Cranberry?
Yes, that is.
Then the ackee with the coconut milk.
Alright, when they drink it, I'm going to circle a couple of days later. Here guys, When Esther do that one, them circle a couple days later.
So like Esther will ackee.
But people make ackee punch, you know, but they never try it before. Hey, wait.
You have to boil it ackee and you blend it.
I'm to her, Nana.
Boil and you blend it.
Oh.
Yes, me ackee now.
I use milk.
Esther pan.
Coconut milk. Oh, sir. I wonder bubble my belly. Ackee. So the single ones, they will drop out, then when they take up them ones. Ackee for days. So guys, I can't say charge it clear out.
No, Tara, me not stay up a person.
Esther, let me see another bag. I don't want so much, you know? Oh, you want some?
No, talk to Tara now.
With pepper, onion.
Oh, sorry, give me a
Which one?
Oh, sorry.
The bush. Ah.
Let it up here.
Tell them, no, I don't want to play. I have this.
Nana? So I think I wouldn't go with the bag. And bring it up? Oh, there it is.
Come thoroughly.
Thoroughly. Here. Ackee stir fry. Do have some ackee stir fry, Esther. You ever try ackee stir fry? Exactly. Oh, so. And the thing is, if you not pick them off, you know what I'm going to stay there and wrap them. Got them. When you get rain. Nah, I'm not falling. I'm just running. I don't know the parking. You see when these stuck on your feet. Eh? What's your Coco? You're really a ninja. Don't follow her, Tara. Don't follow her.
So the Monday one is it alright?
Oh, we don't listen and go. Mind effect there. A really ninja. Nana, we're going to call Liquor Man and Liquor Miss. We have some books for them. Yeah, please. Them there. Give me that. Let me hold this.
Bye, give me them.
Take that from me.
Give me them.
Old school tea and crackers. Remember we young, we make this sugar and water tea and put the crackers in it. Sugar and water tea and crackers. Remember them style, yeah. Guys, comment in the comment section if you remember this. Sugar and water tea with the crackers inside of it. Hey, one thing with some Jamaica culture, it never dies. Never. Survival mode, you know. Best worst is tough crackers, you just say, drop it right in there. Right? Right in there. Tara, what you gonna do with that? Tara, charge it. The wait name there. The invoice.
But if the set time, I did, the change, she said she should send it from here, you know.
You know have it?
You're supposed to in them. Ken, my invite something there. The pump, the only thing about the point at the pump, because the pump, I don't have button, the pump, the pump, not up all
Okay, so the pump price is not on it?
No.
Mommy, I saw my shit.
Look in there, see my shit on the song. I just want him again.
Because Winston say one do it step by step, more make you get the material for right here, so where you can build to put up the tank.
Okay.
So you're not gonna make you buy everything one time and then we put them. So the best thing we'll get first is the material for build the column there, so. You know, so that's what I want to do first. So
yeah, because you see when we go down there look on all the drum now, you see all them not have none in under 850. 800, 1,000, 600.
And you're big.
Yeah, you want to see all the 800, big man. When Uncle tell me say the foot height at 4, I 600 put them at 4. So they want them more wider.
Yeah. So which side is it preferable for right here, so?
But I said more the 600.
600?
Yeah, because wide, the 600 tall, but the 800 one wide.
Wide?
Yeah, so that boy work with the taller one.
So you work with the 6?
The 600, yeah.
So the 6 could have fit right here, so?
Yeah, man. Yeah, 6, yeah, build the base, that's yeah. But the 800, we are really big sitting up, because the 800 foot height more than the 4 feet.
Okay.
Yeah. So, when my shade, come get some phone light, come down.
So first we have to go get the material for that.
Where my shade? When we put the machine, look at the rest of the machine in there.
That's so much?
I give it a moment.
Alright guys, so basically what Wilson will do, the material to build the base, the column where they can put the tank on top of it. So once they'll know that they can buy the tank, the pump, and the pipe that we're going to need for them to get the water. You know. So little man, come here. White nose, move. White nose, move. Come in, little man.
No, tomorrow.
I want to actually now.
True, you see what Esther, come here, look here.
Come on, bro.
Yes, so I look at tree. What's
Esther, take over them for them to get now.
Okay, yeah. At this new one for their school.
So we have some.
I'm just a temp for buy. I'm telling them, can't buy.
Come on.
Come send and call it for me.
I'm going to
see me, sir.
And give them what them again.
Look, man.
So we have some books. We have some books for them as well, for little man and little miss.
Yeah, cut the limb man when you come out and just clean the part.
Aye.
Stand up here and stop praying. He is my friend.
You can give him.
You can bring them.
Come, you can get Cranberry them for them book too.
I'll give you that bag.
So 2, I think that the 2 each.
Yeah.
Oh, this man you stop on the road. Oh, you stop. Look, man, stop. No, that's
2 each. They pick out one here.
Yeah, 2 of them.
That's a year.
One and that and one and that.
2 of this. Even 2 for my sister. 2 of the next one.
Oh, so 4 bookings now.
Yeah, all right. 2 of that as well too.
I can make some
yeah. I got 2 of the next one.
I'm saying, look about.
You get puppy and kitten.
No, I will get them to puppy.
Pencil in there as well too.
Yeah, but I'm going to split one tag of pencil, right?
At all.
Yeah, I think that. A 1 pack or 2?
It has split it down. But I'm telling you, it has split me.
2.
Oh, so that split half behind the shop.
Yeah, so this is for you and your sister. They went in the India, they wipe out.
Penny
Wipe
use?
out. The glue.
A penny use?
Penny use? No, it's pencil. Oh.
Una use pencil?
No, penny use.
Una start shade.
Una use glue, right? Use glue?
Because exam, they might give them for shade A, B, or C. So now I use pencil.
Like 2 glue in there.
Oh, you give them the 2 glue then?
Yeah.
So they might do project.
So, look around.
And this.
Well, say thank you. You know, you're doing one. See, you tell me I'm in favor. Look a bit black.
Yeah, everybody favor.
No, look at him. Choo. All the teacher them say I'm in favor.
No, I'm not
Move, stop it. What do you do that? Grow. They must say, look man, sister.
Look man. So thank Winston from USA.
Thank you, Winston from USA. I may God never make your food.
Let's start up.
Alright, so guys, so that is for you and your sister.
So go on up. I want to come.
So I give him, so you get some books for him and his sister. And the rest in this bag now is for Cranberry and her sisters. She and Nana. So.
That's not who they are, so. God. Can I who they are, so?
Oh, hey, miss.
Pretty.
Paraki. Come thank Winston.
Thank you, Winston, so much. And make a full basket never empty.
Sweetheart, for you and your sisters.
Me
and who?
Me and my sister. Some of them do them more for you, yeah.
I mean, I have a donation for you as well, too.
Every time I go to school,
Me say, you must wear a training bra. I'm pay a training bra.
No, I just take it off, clean it to me, I swear. No, I just wear it to school, that's my mother.
You say a believer?
Yes.
Nana for the year.
Nana for the year.
Nana for
Mommy!
Me no want
just take off my brazier.
Nana.
Okay.
Me no want for your mother.
I'm going to buy my 2 week brazier. I said my
and Nana
more. I'm not ready to training them.
You me say?
I'm not ready to training them in the water.
I'm not ready to training them?
In the water. Okay.
Not ready to who?
The training them.
In the water.
You're not supposed to wear the training them in the water. No. Alright, put on your bag. Let me give you that money here, miss. And don't wear training them in the water. Yeah?
I step on the post.
No training. Please look in. Why the places like this?
We said we have to clean them.
When?
No, I told them mother to wash them clothes. Too much, she said she'll wash them. One of them they go wash for the veranda. You still go wash.
Look.
Kida, we said we have to clean them. To see you.
Do you see me?
Yes, I see me run go best
no,
pick
I was in ackee tree picking, so you know what about you see me.
I'm going to see him run going and I must have to tell my mother.
So you see me want to go pick ackee? When you could have picked ackee all this time?
I'm here. I don't know what to say.
I never me I pick them for. You wasn't picking it for me.
You have to mark when you come, you have to clean it.
Huh?
From one day I come.
You can't speak with food in your mouth, I can't hear you. What are you saying?
I tell my mother when I come, you have to wash.
Hey, hold this. So you have $3,000 for you from Tanya from the USA.
Eat
the food out your mouth. Eat the food out your mouth, miss. We don't want to no food in your mouth. So you have more food on your lip there. Eat everything out.
Yeah, just shop home.
Still up on your mouth corner.
Tina, what's your name? Tanya, thank you so much. I make a full basket, never empty. And God is blessing you. And every time I see you giving money to help to go to school or buy my bag and my uniform, I want you, thank you so much.
Okay, here's the $3,000, miss.
Thank you, Daddy.
You crack up. Evening.
Jaisha, come here. We never talk about him, don't ever.
Yeah?
Okay.
Alright, Jason.
So when I say we are going to beat him.
Look at me, so we have some books in the bag there for you, little man.
Book for you and 1 pen.
Wait, what kind of message I can give? I never give you that message.
I want pack of pencil.
I never give you that message at all.
Say use pencil?
Yes.
No. Okay.
So what for you is pencil in a class?
Oh, just pen. So that's how much books is that in the bag there? Look, man. And your bag, Dad?
Yeah, feed them, take that up.
Take your bag. No, your books them inside in the bag as well too. 8. So 4. 4. Why did you get so much dog? Why did you get so much puppy one time?
Them two, the white one there, and the one there on the road get them.
So why did it take so much one time?
How want them to take care of yard?
But you don't have 2 already? And take another 3 puppy? And plus 2 cat? 4 puppy?
No, the cat give it. 1 cat give it.
Give it a cat, no, allergic to cat. So we have to end up.
And that's I well.
So we now already have 2 big dogs and I take 4 more small puppy and plus 2 cat and 1 gun. You need more security. So what got me now when time what them start breed up? I serve food, you know.
Man.
I serve food. I serve food, you know.
And be a woman dog then too.
Watch my, I be a woman dog, right?
Be a woman dog.
Exactly. I serve food, you know.
I'm 1 man dog.
I serve, you know. We not this much. No, I first never say this.
I
said the amount of kids I got in this yard here. Let's watch.
Them I used to wait, so them not alone.
Eh?
Them not alone.
No, because them I get no food yet from me. Nana, you see the books then? Alright then, so come thank Winston.
Thank you, Winston, and may God bless you and do have a wonderful day.
Cranberry, did you thank Winston?
Winston, thank you, and may God bless you, and make your food basket never empty.
Come thank him, you never thank him.
Yeah, remember?
No, I'm not a member. Guys, just please remind me, did Cranberry?
Thank you, Winston, and make your full basket never empty. And may God bless you.
And what else?
And thank you for your full basket.
Yeah, thank you for the full basket.
See that was I'm getting new classmate? 1 boy, new boy classmate.
I'm gonna get 1 classmate.
What bring it in from there?
No.
6. It's 6.
5?
No.
5.
The whole 6th grade, them just they in the 1-5 grade. I just say look a bit at teacher and look a bit at students. So them just put her in a but a 6.
A 6 me in you know and there.
A 1-6 girl manua. That is Ellen.
So next year I got high school.
Now come look for Ellen and Miss.
Miss not there. Miss not there. Miss
Cranberry, let's start talking.
Shift. Yeah. So ask my mother. Every week I come home to my mother.
You're doing a literacy test then? Yeah, should you do numeracy?
Yeah, tomorrow again we have 1 more than the other day. More than tomorrow.
From grade 4?
Tomorrow.
What grade did them from? What grade did them from?
6.
Where you do your from? Grade 4? Yeah. Okay. Let me know you start from grade 4.
Start from grade 4.
Yeah.
Numeracy and literacy. You have Cranberry in your name.
Oh, Cranberry not do any?
Should we? So she said she just start. No, alright then just say what do you when them do some of the 5th grade test, should he end up going to be it?
5 grade test was hard. No, right. 5 grade test. But 6th grade test easy.
Man, I know what, 3 grade? 4 grade right now. And Toko in our...
1 grade. You don't have to go prepare one. Numeracy and 4 grade test.
Cranberry, I left from primary school.
So let me get them book list sorted out already?
Just some have a little bit of Cranberry.
I'm 5.
I'm 5.
15 subject,
But then the teacher said me not gonna bring in them 5 there yet. Cause them not start using.
What's that?
About 10 they on the book list. And when you check it up, about 10.
Oh.
But them start using.
Okay.
I never hear myself. That's why I ask for that glue.
What?
Glue.
Where you do?
Teacher, you want it?
Your teacher?
Yes.
Your teacher want glue?
Yeah, you have to bring me if you bring it.
Yeah, when I have to buy the school stuff, them like there's something that them.
So you use glue as well too?
Yeah.
But we never ask if you use glue. And you said no a while
No,
ago.
I never use it them time the kilo.
No, I said a while ago. Esther never asked if you use glue. You did ask her a while ago?
Glue, tissue,
Are the pencil should have had the coloring pencil. So we're gonna get glue then. They use glue, right?
Hi, I'm a teacher about for bring swap. Mama said tissue.
Tissue?
Yeah,
Now,
like for we use.
What kind of tissue? Tissue.
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 I saw me talking.
No, don't say that.
Tissue.
You don't talk like that. You just pronounce it if you pronounce it properly. Tis. Tis.
Tissue. No, look. Tissue. No, tissue. No, tissue. Tissue.
like I do yet there.
Them talk here right? Or I'm right one board?
Like I do say I say.
You get dictation when they're primary school? Dictation. Where the teacher them talk on the right?
Yeah.
Oh, you manage?
Should I get that? Should I get that?
Them do it in a 6th grade and 5th grade.
In a 6th grade and 5th grade?
Yeah.
So you manage Cranberry in the dictation when them talk on you right? How you manage that?
Correct.
I ask how you manage.
Write it down.
No, Cranberry. Cranberry, you don't understand what I mean.
I don't know I'm dumb.
Are you happy to say that?
Me and something there, Ellen me started this.
No.
Jesus Christ, Kedisha, go to the work today, I'm going to stand up. Can't take you up.
Man.
Mama, I saw Ellen at all.
Ellen is a bride.
Look now, I saw Ellen at all.
Oh, she bright.
Yeah, I saw she at all. Today, I say Ellen.
Oh, from Cuba.
Mama. You say Ellen people.
Ellen don't speak English right.
I saw she talk.
Alright, so I'll bring 2 glue when I'm coming back next time for you then. Yeah, and Nana.
And
Tyra use glue?
And tissue.
and all kind of school things.
And
By Monday we bring it here. That's it.
Monday?
Yeah.
What, the glue?
And something there.
The some of them wash your hand, the soap and the tissue. Everybody, my classmate, they don't bring it already. And me alone for bring it to my class.
Tissue and everything.
Another classmate didn't bring it to my
But
class.
me never
Is it on the book list?
Girl, that's a small no.
So, I only for use it?
Yeah.
So, school not provide any of that?
My classmate, they bring it for them.
Yeah.
Look, the student.
Give time when you have to go bring back to again to the school.
Look now, my student.
So, school not provide that?
My teacher them bring my classmate them bring it already. Me alone don't bring it.
Is it on the book list? Yeah.
They want soap.
When you school up when they get the book list? When school you open when they get the book list? Yeah.
Stop touching me, Jason. How are sanitizer?
And sanitizer.
Ready, so I talk. Sanitizer.
It's sunny.
Sanitizer.
Not Sabi. Sunny.
Sanitizer.
Yeah, you get that right.
And I want tissue.
No,
Peace. I want tissue. Tissue.
Just listen what little man say.
T-I-S.
That is
Tissue.
Tis.
Tissue.
No, not tissue.
Brother, so my teacher be here. My teacher want tissue.
God go with you.
Tissue. And sanitizer and soap.
And sanitizer.
Never
And sanitize. Sanitize.
And the paper, some of the paper.
The paper wait, test them to put that paper there, the pack.
Pack.
The sheet, full out the full.
Yeah.
Full out one.
I want some of the one here, the cantilever. Me want a cantilever, that my teacher said. No, that him said to them, look, say,
The teacher say you want? Cantilever. So wait there. So when the teacher I tell you these things, you know say it back to them? And then they'll correct you?
Yeah.
Them correct you?
Say, Jesus Christ, get this. Why you have to talk, so what do you have to talk good? But cantilever.
I see a button for ice.
Me say, come out of the class and say, I'm lock the come out of the door. Time say, if me get wrong, the cantilever can make you right.
But them not come sign me up.
Hey, them teacher or something else. It's calculator.
Can? Stop.
Stop.
Yeah. She
soap.
And sanitizer every single thing.
Sanitizer. And then I get different things. No. Different things. I'm one calculator. Let's talk to Esther. The calculator.
Look, I'm crying. Look, I'm crying.
Sanitizer. And the soap and the tissue.
Stop it.
And then the cantilever. That's
process. I'm not the fastest in the world too. Glue? Not the fastest in the world. Hey!
You have more glue there, right?
Sure, the more glue supposed to in there.
Daddy.
I sure we never think say them need glue, you know.
Daddy.
We need more than two. We need to get scrap by.
So alright, so look, I want to use the glue?
Daddy. They're going to use it. What's
You have already?
Yeah, project.
You have already?
Can you see a book where you buy something, you know? You look a book where you do something, you know?
What subject?
I 6 subjects you do, you know?
What subject you in all?
And then scrapbook. No, I'm not 6.
So you have book already? How much book you have already?
Look at this we have.
I have 5.
Me want more that the teacher said.
But how much you have now?
The book left
I have 2 writing books. I have 2 writing books.
4, so 4 writing book?
Yes.
So how much you need?
Almost finished.
You don't write what
How much writing books you get, teacher?
4.
I have 2.
Alright.
How much in that bag there? How much in that bag there?
Subject shadow.
So what were you doing? Which subject are you doing? Name them.
Maths.
Yeah.
Integrated studies.
I'm also about 5.
No, name them please.
Some of them. Time, right. Maths, Spanish class.
What you doing in school now as subject? Come here, laugh. What you got?
Maths. Nobody gonna ask me that. Language arts. 2 of them. Nobody looking at your bag. See big bag there when you go to school? Spray gun.
Spray gun.
Kina, spray gun do not have any lunch kit.
Spray gun now come with lunch kit.
How much of them book they have in the bag? Them one there.
I can't book you carry to school and they have 6 or 5 subjects.
10 in the bag. 10.
Kina, me have.
Take time, Esther.
Yeah, about 7 books, Kadisha.
Why let people come out, Esther?
So, talk that you know, I'm like 2 book talk you use.
Alright, if I show you a talk book, let's say 8.
Yeah.
8
No,
talk
writing book.
But you have about 4 now. She have about 4 now.
See them say my mother said this one.
Let me see you work them.
Stop.
You write space at work.
No, I can't space.
Why? You have problem when you do exam. I cannot write like
No, my teacher said my hand is shaking.
You know, some feel like say them bring the book there to school and then they just only other students.
See ya?
That's what them say.
Cranberry. I feel this is a Cranberry. I feel Cranberry, I write in that Cranberry. I don't when we in a primary school.
What kind of what?
Teacher say we not reach.
What's that?
Say HF.
Oh, HFIE.
No, HFLE.
Oh, HFLE.
Yeah.
So why you say it like that?
This.
Huh?
She write as how she talk. You see her book?
That's
The HFLE teacher tell everybody so we not reach.
Yeah.
Not say that book. You're not doing essay.
Is there a book?
Pull up the line there. And make sure the ending nice.
That's why I leave them. They get them.
But not even get come in him can't chop up to my shit so down. Me not
When I can walk with my son next time I come.
Yeah, that's ever good.
I walk with my son and just start.
I look at Sam.
I saw them alright, them get them overripe.
Yeah, them are overripe. And when I come
So what kind of machine that you bring? Machine that done. Oh, you define the invoice?
Yeah.
No? You mean?
I love you, Daddy.
So I got contact him and just make him know the material. See?
Yeah, do you work?
But he send the original copy.
Okay.
It's supposed to be on WhatsApp, on her WhatsApp.
So this without the tank is 112,000.
No, the tank depend on the pump.
No, sorry, without the pump. So all of this without the pump is $112,669. So how much cement did I have for right here? So
I must swear about it.
I'm trying to see.
What about 4 or 3? We have 4 or something.
Black. 100 black?
Yeah.
You want 100 black? Cement. I forgot. I'm reaching a light. Look on it. So what did I want? But 100 black I need for this one. Oh. And the steel. I just give me a 2 length of steel.
4. Well, yeah, about 2. Cause just 2. I put 2 column in it. I have to put 2 column on 2 sides.
Oh, 2 length of steel?
Yeah.
100 black.
2. I him to put the steel on it, you know. Come and just give them the something on them just.
But you know your judgment, right?
Yeah.
You say steel.
No, Esther, keep that.
Oh, cheers.
Keep that, Esther.
But 3 length of steel that one there. 100 black.
Esther, keep it.
2 column.
And about how much cement you reckon?
4 cement.
4 bag of cement.
Can I okay me right up or can't?
Yeah. As them that want to do that?
Yeah.
It's the cement, the black and the steel.
Yeah.
Nothing else.
Okay, I know we money can look at
sun. Yes,
money to bring up some sun for.
Alright then, so I'm gonna make you know that one. So I'm gonna look on the price on this. And then just instead of the money bring come, I can just get the material and I can just start on the column. Cause full time I will try to finish this now. You see me? It's about time now. Getting dark. Alright then kids. Alright then, bye bye. It's becoming night right now. It's night.
Next time I'll come.
Night. Yeah. Nana, see you later. Tara, Toko. Bye bye. Yes, Ken. Charge, look a bit.
Bye bye.
Let me sweet Esther. Charge, let me see how Billy step them.
Yeah. Maybe charge you see them on the top of them or them on the cast.
Yeah.
Where the water is chop it up, maybe cast.
You have to just go and continue and come all the way down. White nose. Excuse.
I try put already, man. I want hold and put.
You're trying to move.
Move!
Where I go? Where you going? You're not following me, you know. It's too late. Cranberry.
No, come here, Papa.
Where come here, and
No, I want that one down for me.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.